Came across an OND file in Office software documentation? This is an OfficeNet document file from a legacy Office productivity environment. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to access and convert these OfficeNet document files. I want to share my favorite troubleshooting shortcut. Use a dedicated OND file viewer to check the file's integrity. I'll point you toward the most powerful option below. Users encounter .OND files when receiving documents from organizations using the Lantica OfficeNet system. Their primary goal is to view or convert the document into a more common format like PDF or DOCX, as they likely do not have the proprietary OfficeNet software installed on their personal computers. The .OND format is a proprietary binary container designed for the OfficeNet ecosystem. It likely encapsulates text, formatting, and possibly embedded objects in a structure optimized for rapid rendering and secure transmission within the Lantica software suite, prioritizing internal consistency over external compatibility and open standards. The direct link for Opening OND Files is established with Lantica OfficeNet from Lantica software. The file requires specific internal validation routines that only the proprietary software performs. Windows may show the file structure, but advanced editing needs compatible software. To open this specific OND file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Lantica OfficeNet is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few tries. If the OND file is still refusing to open, it's expected. If the file is still refusing to open, we are focused on just 3 major problems. We'll explore every common culprit and conduct the diagnostic step for it. First, opening an OfficeNet. Install OfficeNet Office productivity software if available from the original vendor or legacy software archives. Launch the application and use File then Open to load the OND document. OfficeNet displays the document with full formatting and editing capabilities, providing native access to all document features and content. Next, converting to modern formats. Open the OND file in OfficeNet and use File then Save As or Export to convert to standard formats, like Microsoft Word DOCX, RTF, or PDF. This enables continued access in modern Office applications, including Microsoft Office Google Docs, and LibreOffice Writer maintaining document content across software platforms. Finally, using universal document tools. Try opening OND files in LibreOffice Writer, which includes import filters for various legacy document formats. If LibreOffice cannot parse the file directly, use online document conversion services that support obscure formats. Alternatively, extract text content using a hex editor for plain text recovery from inaccessible proprietary documents. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.